Granita machines. What's a granita machine? Granita machine is a machine that keeps a tank full of a combination of a fruit or fruit flavor, water and sugar, and it freezes to a certain consistency, slushy like, and that is pleasant to drink with a straw. Granita machines have been around now for over 25 years in a massive way, and they've almost saturated the need in both gas stations and home parties like margarita machines and frozen drinks with or without alcohol. We have quite a selection of mainly, I like to say mainly because I believe in mainly used machines. I don't see the need to pay, if it's for a business, for a three-head machine, more than a couple of $1,000s for a used one versus maybe $5,000 for a new one. There is no need for that kind of expense. That's why we do carry quite a selection of parts for all kind of machines in the market. So we answer lots of questions, mostly from people who didn't buy the machine from us, because chances are when people sell a machine, then they're gonna monitor their calls with a caller ID to see whether the people are calling for a sale or for a problem. And that's one thing we pride ourselves is we don't scan calls. I answer my calls 90% of the time, because I am 90% of the time in my office. So we don't lend you to a girl that is asking you 55 questions before allowing you to speak to the department desired. So I answer the question, and most of the time I answer question about problems with Granita machines that have been sold by somebody else. We have parts, as I said, and an expertise. So call us anytime at your convenience and tell us what you think. And if you want to buy one, I'll be glad to sell it to you. Thank you. Ciao.